The poor Dodge. My poor Dodge. He's loading her to the max. She's on the springs. I think she's on the helper springs. Oh boy. Loading her to the max. If she ain't a full trailer, she ain't a full load. No point in wasting your time with half loads.
Saturday, June 6th, maybe 7th. I don't know. They're all the same. It's all work. We just came down to start mowing. So send up the drone here so you can see that. We got Ben in the 7410 in the case DC 133 or 2 steel rollers. I made that turd use the old side pole 1411 New Holland. It matches his tractor, clapped out. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and give her hell for the rest of the day here. It won't dry, but at this point we have to do something. It's a little late for first crop. Monday morning, 6 a.m. She's cloudy, chance of rain. So this is day 2 the hay's been laying down. I don't think she's going to dry today. If we look at the forecast, I'm guessing cloudy all day. Maybe no rain though. Tomorrow will be hot and sunny. Wednesday, hot and sunny. And then chance of rain Thursday. So tomorrow we TED. Wednesday we bail. Yippee-ki-yay. Shop day. Working on box truck things. I gotta swap some around for a guy. So I got that going for me. Got that one off. Wiring documented. That one I gotta put on another truck. But the real reason I want to show you guys something cool is I fabricated this. Oh, I'm gonna get that adjusted out. Get that top link adjusted out so this comes that way. Because you know, as it goes up and down, it does like a crescent moon. So we'll get that flipped out, which is just fine. Well, we made a quick attached plate ready because I like to. I'm not a big fan of always changing out. But yeah, and I think what I'm going to end up doing is because there's so much room here, I think I'm going to build a bale spear, 3 of them, off the bottom of this. So we'll have bale spears off the bottom. So when you're not using it for goosenecking, the guy can use it for spearing. I think that's gonna work. Bale spearing. Goosenecking. Oh, I see a problem right here. This dust seal won't sit in here anymore. I need to get that all cleaned out. Yeah. But I'll show you in the cab what it looks like. Okay. So I got my button. And just like that. So when we're in the field moving bales, I can use the gooseneck. Oh, I need a haircut. I can use the gooseneck, load myself while one guy's wrapping or stacking, depending on how it's going to go. We just don't have enough people. Second year farmer, we can't just go get 30 employees. No. We got more equipment we need to buy. So we're going to make the improvements better. We watch a lot of you guys out west in the big plains. You guys sure know how to move hay fast, so we'll use that here in Wisconsin, get that technique, here for us. Because it sure stinks moving hay by yourself when you got to jump in 3 different pieces of equipment to move that hay. And you always know it's going to be raining. I believe it's go time. Currently 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Wednesday. We got rain coming in tonight around 7 p.m. 54 acres down. We got to rake it. We got to bale it. We got to wrap it. And that's what we're going to do. We got starting out Cody, myself. From there, we're going to get my old man's coming down again, my dad. He's going to come help us haul bales off the field. If we don't get them wrapped, we are going to set them up in the shed for now. Space them out, so let them sweat it out so it doesn't burn down. And come back and wrap. When you wrap individual, takes about it's 24 wraps, so I would say it's like 1.5 minutes for each bale to wrap. So it just takes so much time. We don't know if we got time. There's not enough of us. What do you expect? Second year start. This is what you expect. This is what I expect. Give her hell till, do it for Dale. Oh, you had to get it way under there to get to it.
Oh, we are in the bowels.
Well, we did a little inspection while we were greasing. I found a broken grease line here. Oh, let's see if I can see this. So is this guy. We got her all pinched off and just put a grease zerk in there for now until I get a new grease line, because she ripped her clean right off. So we'll just keep an eye on it. Do a couple pumps now and go bale for a little bit. Put a couple extra bumps. But everything else looks So good so far. Brett's gonna go rake, and then it'll be on to baling. Got wrap. So we'll try this. You know, why does New Holland, why can't we just run normal line? Why do we gotta run this stuff? Gotta make it difficult. I got how many feet of airline at home? We gotta use this. It's always something, isn't it? Always something.
A little check-in. It's, I think we just hit 86 degrees. I'm on the second to last field of raking. Cody's been spitting bales, spitting fire. Moisture is right around 20%. So what that means is, I wish we had dope. I wish we could dope them up. Stems might be a little tougher to wrap right now. We're gonna find out in a little bit. That's all right. Let's find out. I do have a question to ask y'all. Y'alls. So I'm using the Kuhn GA6501 rake, twin rotary. I'm using the John Deere 6430. I got this in float mode. I assume it's float mode. Is that how you get the arms, just to kind of float and go over the tops of everything? Is that what people do? Is that a thing? I hope so. It's working. I'm gonna keep doing it. And I'm gonna keep raking. And it is rough. It is so rough. Man, this ground is rough. If you didn't have an air suspension seat and you had to use a Farmall H with a spring type seat, you'd be like riding a rodeo. It'd be a bull ride, bull ride a bull, because it would throw you so high. You'd have to have a seatbelt. I know they didn't make seatbelts for them, but you'd have to make one. So rough. All right, that's mine.
Oh boy. Yeah. A little dirty up here, huh? A little dusty. That's what I like to see. More dust flying. Less moisture. Let's get back in. Let's start baling, huh?
All right, I gotta make up some for lost time here. I gotta get wrapping. We got another load coming in. Cody's down there broke out. We got another load coming in. We gotta keep going, and the sun's starting to set. down. Shear to shear pin, didn't have that one in stock. Finished wrapping a bunch, then it really poured, so then we had to move the unwrapped ones into the shed. So we got 25 bales, 30 bales in the shed that still need to be wrapped. They'll be fine to sit overnight. But it's tough. It's tough making dry hay. It's tough when Mother Nature don't cooperate. Ain't gonna get us down though. We're gonna still just crank it. Well, we're back at it. We got, I don't know, 1/4 inch of rain on everything, just enough to bleach it out. So we're trying to turn over the hay. Give her the once flip over. That's what I'm doing here. Currently in the roughest field. I'm doing 2.7 mile an hour. I got a rugrat today. Say hi, Paisley.
Hi.
She's helping me, eating all the snacks. We're trying out my new egg open GPS. It's kind of cool. Got my little satellite receiver up top. Just kind of mapping out fields while I'm raking because it's so boring. So boring. Yeah, I'll get the drone up here in a little bit. We'll take some video and we start baling here in about 2 hours. Beautiful day though. Really hoping we don't have to wrap hay. Fingers crossed. Hoping for dry hay. Paisley, do you like dry hay? No, you like wet hay? No, you don't even like hay. Alright, stay tuned. Ooh, Benjamin's loading up the first load of hay we got sold. Off to the market. Wrapped and all. Paisley, say bye.
Oh boy, the last little bit here, and we got first crop finally done down here. Come on baby, make her to the end. We're gonna slow down. I ain't gonna chance it. I've already broke 3 shear pins, trying to give her a little too hard. Oh boy. There she goes. The last little bit. Done. Call her. Call it! Finally done down here in Grove. 145 plus 65, you do that math, because I cannot. 210, does that sound right? 210 bales down here. And there's probably, oh boy, well there's a 10-acre field that we didn't even cut. And there's probably another
10, 15 acres down here that weren't even seeded last year. So all it was is clover and some grass. So it's pretty good. I'll take that any day of the week. She's finally done. Get her put up and on to second crop.